The Steam Deck has been a game changer since its 2022 launch, but hold on to your seats because the game just got even more intense with the arrival of the Steam Deck OLED. Picture this, a 7.4-inch display that's not just any display, but a jaw-dropping OLED one. Now, if you're wondering what all the fuss is about, imagine your favorite games cranked up to a whole new level of vividness. We're talking improved contrast that will make your jaw drop, and did I mention it can hit a mind-blowing peak HDR brightness of 1000 nits? It's like your games are getting a VIP upgrade to the visual spectacle arena. So without further delay, let's strap in and explore the top-tier games that are set to look nothing short of phenomenal on the Steam Deck OLED. Resident Evil 4 2023. Dive into the terrifying world of Resident Evil Remake, an awesome game that rocks on any device but hits different on the Steam Deck OLED. Seriously, it's a shining example. Capcom's horror masterpiece brings spooky shadows and dark settings to life, and the Steam Deck's OLED display does justice to the creepy visuals. Not just a feast for your eyes, this game is an absolute blast that pays homage to the original. Without a doubt, Resident Evil Remake is hands down one of the coolest games of 2023. Batman Arkham Trilogy. Alright, buckle up, folks. We're not talking about 9, but a whopping 12 titles that are set to rock on the Steam Deck OLED, and guess what? It's none other than the epic Batman Arkham Trilogy. This trio of games is practically the smoothest gaming experience you can get, blending Arkham Asylum, Arkham City, and the underrated gem, Batman, Arkham Knight. The way Bats and Joker's relationship unfolds across these titles is just top-notch. I've recently wrapped up these Caped Crusader adventures on my deck, and let me tell you, with just a few tweaks, Asylum's hitting 60 FPS, City's cruising at 40 FPS, and Knight's maintaining a reliable 30 frames per second. Now picture this on your handheld's LCD screen. Pretty awesome, right? But hold up, imagine the eerie and convincing Gotham vibe when you switch to that OLED goodness. It's a whole new level of gaming coolness. Ori and the Will of the Wisps, get ready for some gaming magic because Ori and the Will of the Wisps is the ultimate blend of smooth platforming and Metroidvania vibes. This exclusive gem for Xbox and PC is not just challenging, it's downright charming. Picture this. Stunning visuals on the best OLED TV with HDR that's handled so vividly, it's like a visual feast. Now brace yourself because on the Steam Deck OLED's HDR screen, this soulful experience is about to hit a whole new level of incredible. And let's not forget that sweet 90 Hz refresh rate. It's like upgrading from vanilla to deluxe in terms of smooth gameplay. Ori and the Will of the Wisps is setting the bar high, my friends. Doom Eternal. Hold on to your seats, gamers, because ID Software's engine is like the superhero of optimization. And I'm betting Doom Eternal is about to flex on the Steam Deck OLED's 90 Hz display. Picture this, one of the smoothest and downright brutal shooters cranking it up a notch with a considerably higher frame rate than the LCD Deck's 60 Hz screen. We're talking about turning an already all-time great blaster into something epic. Now here's the secret sauce. OLED screens eat up fast-moving action for breakfast. So brace yourselves for a mind-blowing, incredibly gory first-person shooter experience on the Steam Deck OLED. It's like entering the arena of gaming greatness. Little Nightmares 2. Hold tight because we're diving into another spooky game recommendation, and let's face it, the horror genre loves its dark vibes. Now picture this, an inventive and nerve-shredding sequel that practically lives in perpetual darkness, especially that bone-chilling sequence with the school teacher. On your regular deck, Little Nightmares 2 might look a bit washed out and drab, but get ready for the game to pop with punchy vibes and atmospheric magic on the Steam Deck OLED. Those perfect black levels are about to take the scares to a whole new level, making this one a must-play for the ultimate spooky experience. And there you have it, folks, that wraps up today's video showcasing the absolute best games for your Steam Deck OLED. Are you diving into any of these titles or perhaps considering snagging the Steam Deck OLED for yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy gaming.